Hey guys, Mango here. Today I want to talk about RGB. I love RGB lighting stuff and it makes it for an amazing gift, especially since it's that sweet holiday time of the year. So today I want to show you 5 different RGB gift ideas that I have found. They are all from Govee. I am not sponsored by them, but I use their products and I really enjoy them. I think they're the best bang for buck budget RGB lighting tech that's out there. So today, let's dive right into it. Oh, and there'll be affiliate links down below. So with that being said, firstly, let's talk about RGB versus RGBIC, because that's an important differentiation that need to be made. So RGB is the technology where you'll have colors flashing red, green, blue, yellow, orange, but it's not going to be smooth and fluid. RGBIC, on the other hand, comes in and allows the RGB lighting to have a fluid motion through all the different colors. So it's not jarring flashing of different colors, rather it's that nice smooth transition between colors, and that makes it so lovely. Let's dive right into the first item, which is the Govee RGBIC LED light strips. You can get these in 16 feet, 32 feet, or 65 feet, and honestly these are phenomenal. I use some in some light tubes, spoiler alert for a future video. The Govee app is pretty solid. It might be a little quirky here and there, but overall it's an excellent app, and these LED strips are phenomenal. It will make any of your gaming setups, your media room setups, your room, it's amazing. It'll make for an amazing simple gift to give to someone special. So moving on, let's talk about the next item, which is the Govee Smart Light Bars. These are basically a competitor to the Philips Hue bar thingies, and honestly these are fantastic. They're only 60 bucks, and for that price you're getting a really solid RGB light that you can put on your desks. You can use it for your gaming setup. It's gonna look really good. As you can see here, they've used it for gaming setups. It looks amazing for, media setups as well. So overall, for 60 bucks, this is a solid steal of a deal as well, and it will really make for an amazing gift. This is one of those things that you could give to anyone and they'll be super happy. It just lights up literally and figuratively someone's life, and it's a great gift. So moving on to the next one, this is a little bit more bourgeoisie, you could say. This is a $100 Govee Lyra floor lamp. I don't have this yet, and I kind of want one, to be honest. It makes for an amazing corner RGB setup, and honestly it's just very nice for that ambient aesthetic. So there's right now a $30 coupon on this, making it 110 bucks, and honestly for that price this is a really solid gift idea for someone that you're trying to find something nice and fresh, but also a little more professional or aesthetically nice. This is definitely something to consider. Okay, so moving on to the next item is the Govee Neon Rope Light. This is a really fun, flexible LED light that you can put on your walls. You can do all sorts of custom shapes and designs or whatever have you. And honestly, I think that this for 65 bucks is going to be an amazing way to just light up someone's room. Trust me, I love RGB, and I think this is something that you can just slap on a massive wall and just be like, hey, this is some abstract, provocative art. So this is something definitely to keep in mind. And lastly, let's go to what I find probably one of the coolest things that Govee has come out with in recent times, and this is basically their LIFX competitor for an amazing deal. LIFX was several $100s, and this comes in and gives you those phenomenal RGB light bar aesthetics for only 100 bucks basically. It's a 12 pack, and for what you get, it's honestly a really good deal. I myself am probably going to cop these sooner rather than later, and just look at these things that you can create with the light bars. It's so cool. This is an amazing alternative to something like the Nanoleaf panels at a fraction of the price, and on top of that you can add more packs of these wall light bars to give you even crazier designs and whatever have you. So this is something to definitely keep in mind. So overall, in the 110 and below price range, the RGB LED light strips, the Govee Smart Light Bars for the desk, the Govee Lyra floor lamp, the neon rope lights, and the smart wall lights are all phenomenal gift ideas that I think anyone that will truly enjoy. So with that being said, I have affiliate links to all the items down below. If you pick anything up, let me know. I would actually really enjoy it. And actually send me a link to a video of you, enjoying these items. I think that they will honestly make for amazing gifts, especially since it's that lovely time of the year where gift giving is a thing everyone partakes in for sure. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe button, help me grow this channel to 1,000 subs, and I'll see you guys in the next video.